Good morning, guys. It is about 6:40 on April the 8th, and today we're going to try to go and shoot the solar eclipse, hopefully with a couple of drones as well as our cameras. So the plan is we're going to leave here in about 20 minutes. It's about a 5-hour drive up to the path of totality. On the way up, going to pick up my friend Jackson, and then we're going to go up there, try to find a spot. I'm not exactly sure where we're going because I want to find somewhere where there aren't a whole lot of people, so it'll be easier to fly the drones and get some shots with them. And we're also looking at the cloud cover because it's about 50 to 60% in the area that we're going to be headed to, so I'm hoping that that clears up a little bit and doesn't ruin our whole eclipse trip. So that's the plan for today. Let's get to it. Going?
Good.
Important question is, did you get the SD cards?
Yes, I did.
So right now it looks like it is cloudy, like almost entirely cloudy out there. See how it goes. Hopefully it clears up a little bit, because if it's cloudy like this, we are going to see absolutely nothing. So, see what happens. So we made it here to where we're planning to in Ohio, and right here basically just in the middle of a big field. And as you can see, we do have some clouds, but they're pretty thin. Sun's still shining through. Got a shot. I think we'll still be able to see the eclipse. So, and hopefully we can get some good shots with the drones as well. So we are getting set up. All right, so the plan is, the eclipse has already started, so we're shooting that with the cameras. And then just a little bit before totality, I'm going to get this drone up in the air, and the idea is to put it in waypoints mode so that it will just fly on its own while I enjoy the eclipse. And we're going to try to get a shot of the shadow coming across the landscape. Hopefully we can get a really interesting shot of that. There it is, right there. Oh, I didn't miss that.
Wow, look at it. Isn't that amazing?
It is. It's gonna take a minute to just soak that in.
Wow.
So beautiful. Sorry.
So beautiful. Wow. So amazing.
Oh, diamond ring. There it is.
There
Wow.
it is. Beautiful. Wow.
So it's after totality now. During totality, I did take the drone up and shot just a video on waypoints mode. Didn't get much footage of actually flying the drone during the eclipse, but it didn't actually work out quite the way I was expecting. I didn't really get a clear shadow coming across the landscape, and I'm not 100% sure why that is, but I think maybe it's just that 400 feet isn't high enough to really see a clearly defined shadow moving across. And the other reason I think might be because we have these light clouds. It kind of diffused, even though you could see the sun through it, it kind of diffused the light a little bit and made it so it's not such a sharp shadow. So we didn't exactly get that shot, but it was a fun experiment to see what we could do. And it was super, super fun to get to see totality, get to see like everything like completely dark sunset colors out there, and to get some really, really cool shots with the cameras of the total solar eclipse, diamond ring, all of that.